Hello everybody and welcome into Emily's Upcycled Home, where I take thrifted and salvage items and upcycle them into beautiful home decor pieces you can decorate your home with. I am so glad you joined me for today's video and I am excited to get started. I hope you enjoy the projects for today. I purchased some vintage shoes on little bookend stacks here that we are going to take apart and make 3 projects out of this one set of shoe here. Now these are going to be pairs of projects, so we're just going to take these pieces, and that little shoe does have a screw. We're going to screw that apart, take off that backing, and end up with 6 pieces all together. And we are going to create these pieces in pairs of 2. As I look around the piece, I know that I can take these apart. The back just has the nails. Like I said, the inside has a screw. So piece by piece, I'm going to detach this and deconstruct this and go ahead and move forward with our projects. For the first piece here, we're just going to do a simple upcycle on these cute little baby shoes, adding some little lace of fabric that I thrifted from a curtain, or I got from a curtain. And we are just going to add a little bit of embellishment here and give it a little lace decor piece, as if there was some socks in there. You know how those little ruffle socks you fold over. I am not gluing anything down here. I'm just simply tucking. And I also going to come in with some moss and make some little nest here, or like faux nest. And air dry clay, you guys, is your best friend. And this is from IOD. And I am just going to form some little bird eggs with my IOD clay here, just rolling it into a circle and pinching the ends and making them into the egg shape that I feel is perfect for this cute little baby shoe. I repeat that process for the next one, and then I come in with that French eggshell by Fusion and just kind of put it into a little tray and coat our little eggs and add some color and little variations to our pieces here. To attach these, I do come in with some hot glue just so that they don't move around on that nest or fall out, but the rest of the pieces are not attached. They are not glued in, you guys. For easy removal, you can even change these out for Christmas and add some Christmas trees into there, add some little pumpkins for fall, but right now we're just going to embellish them with some sprigs of greenery and come in with a safety pin and a cute little vintage button and just simply attach that back in onto our little fabric piece of lace that we added. I put 2 buttons on there and then just simply clip it. Now you can put these anywhere you want in your home. You can even use them as ornaments on your tree. But look how simple and how cute these little shoes are. I left all the imperfections and all that grubby goodness for you guys as well. So if you want to shop any of the IOD, Fusion, or Dixie Belle products I use, please use my affiliate link down in the description. For our second set here, we are coming in with the backing, removing the nails off and cleaning up the piece, removing any of that felt. I do come in and drill a hole here, but notice there's going to be 2 holes where I did make a mistake and didn't quite center the first hole, so I come in and drill that second hole. Measure twice, drill once, I guess, you guys. I need to remember that part. And as I go ahead and trim up that excess felt as well on the other one, I repeat that process and drilling in the hole. Now, if you guys can do anything you want with these, but we are going to make these faux vintage catalog pieces with a photo holder. So I'm just going to come in with these little catalog metal brackets here from Amazon. They also come with this little screw as well to match, and I'm going to screw those in using a knife because I did not find my screwdriver here, but we'll go ahead and get those attached. And if you have a screwdriver, just use that. I did make a little mistake here with that one. I'll fix that later. But as far as our stick is concerned, or our picture holder, we are coming in with these little metal pieces here. I'm going to add a bead of hot glue into our drill holes to attach this and hold this up and give that a secure bond. Now I'm also coming in with Fusion Cast Iron Mineral Paint to paint up our little stands or our middle pieces here that are going to hold our picture. I'm going to try to match it as closely as I can to our brackets that we added to our piece. So after I coat this with that dark tone here, we are coming in with gold gilding wax, and I'm going to age up this piece a little further, hopefully getting it the tone and the color I want. And I think that matches a little better than that bright gold tone that was originally on there. I'm adding hot glue into that piece, into that hole, and holding this steady as that hot glue dries for that perfect hold and bond to this piece here. Now, as far as the second hole is concerned that I made a mistake on, I am adding some foliage there and just embellishing this bottom base of our piece. And of course, these are little rustic chic pieces here, so I am also going to embellish it with a piece of this beautiful lace. I'm just tying it into a little string and adding the little tassels, and let that hang and pillow and draw in that little ribbon as well. Just a simple lace ribbon. And here are all these beautiful stands, you guys, with that vintage element and that faux catalog look. You can add your pretty pictures to the top and stage these up on books in your house. You guys let me know what you think of this piece in the comments. Now, if you want to watch more DIYs and catch me live, you can follow me over on my Facebook page, Emily's Upcycled Home. Now, for our final piece, I found these resin casting birds from the Birdsong Mode by IOD, and we are coming in with this beautiful blue tone. I can't tell you what color this is. This is an Oops paint from Home Depot, and I'm just adding that beautiful blue tone to our birds. And these are the final little back ends of our books, and notice I added a little bit of lace on the top, embellished them with little greenery, and then added our burden, giving it a hot glue on the back to hold everything in place. Give it a little bit more embellishment with some baby spread, and then I'll add a little hanging piece of lace with that same lace ribbon we used earlier. And of course, it's not a cute thing or a cute craft unless it has a little vintage button as well. Here's where I'm adding the hanging piece, and because this is such a lightweight piece, the hot glue will be perfect for these as well. Go ahead and let these dry, and then these cute little ornaments or hanging pieces, wherever you want to put them, are done. And that was a simple upcycle, but we got 3 projects, you guys, out of these 2 little baby shoes. And if you're interested in shopping any of my projects here, you can shop with me on Facebook Marketplace or on Whatnot, or simply just message me on my Facebook page. We have reached the end of our video, you guys, and here are the finished projects. If you like my content, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys all on the next one. Don't forget to hit that like button on your way out, my friends. Comment, share, and subscribe. And if you missed Wednesday's video, I have that link in the description.